am going to give you a different perspective on self-love. We usually think that self-love is when we allow ourselves to have that entire red velvet cake. Or when we are sad, we'll go for shopping and we'll buy that short dress and we'll wear it with confidence irrespective of our body type. See, I am not denying that actions like these can't bring self-love. But I have also realized one thing, that self-love derived from actions are actually short-lived. So I am going to give you a definition through which a constant love can pour into your life. It comes from understanding the fact that irrespective of your situation in life, you deserve all the love, luck, happiness, and all the good things in life. If you are in, a good phase in life, you will not settle there because you know that you deserve much more than that. And if you are in a bad phase of your life, you will motivate yourself to get out of it, and knowing that you deserve all the abundance in life, that is what is known as self-love.